Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video, we will explain one of the most important commands in the Modify ribbon, the Move command. As you might imagine, this command allows us to move objects all over our project in the model view. To activate the command, we type M in the command line or select it by the icon in the Modify ribbon. Once we start the command, we will need to select the object we want to move. We could also select the object first and then type the command. This is up to us. This object is not a whole object, but a collection of smaller geometries, so we have to make sure we select every single part of it. Press Enter to confirm our selection. After selecting the object in command, LusoCAD will ask for a base point. This is the point of the object that we will move around based on. For this example, this line underneath the drawing will be useful. We select the midpoint as a base point. Once you select the base point, you will be able to freely move the object using your mouse. We could just move it this way, but it will not be as precise. A more precise way would be to snap the object to another object or line. But we can also move it using a distance value. If we write the distance value after selecting the base point and using our mouse to indicate the direction, we can move the object as well. We can even send the object to a specified coordinate. After selecting the base point, we can type the number symbol followed by an X and Y coordinate, separated by a comma. Let's try and move this object to the 0 by 0 coordinates, as an example. Here we can check that the move was correctly performed. This is all for the Move command. Keep watching the course to further your LusoCAD skills.